Hello, everyone. Welcome. In this video, we will look at designing classes for AVLTrees. AVLTree is a binary search tree. So we design this AVLTree class as a subtype of BST. We're going to have this AVLTree node. Is the tree node, AVLTree node is a subtype of the tree node. Additionally, this AVLTree node contains the data field height. So all the other data fields in the tree node are inherited in the AVLTree node. So the other data fields we have are the element and left and right pointers and to the left and right trees. This is the constructor for the AVLTree, and this is the method to create a new node of AVLTree node. This is to insert a new element and delete an element, and this is update the height, and this is the get the balance path and to find the nodes in the path from the node for the element and to the root. So this is the balance factor, get the balance factor. These are the operations performing the LL rotation, LR rotation, RR rotation, and RL rotation. So again, look at this is the AVLTree node has element, height, left, and right. So the height is new in the AVLTree node, and all the others are inherited from the tree node class. All right, so we're going to look at the implementation in the upcoming videos. See you on the next video.